with no windows, no fire, no flame. We reached out our hands, never knowing its name. I touched something white, said, this must be a fan. You held on to stone, said it's taller than man. We were certain we were loud, each convinced we were profound, but the truth was walking quietly around. It's an elephant in the darkness, bigger than the words we say. Every hand holds a fragment, every mind throws light away. If the sun would just rise between us, we'd see what we fight about. It's an elephant in the darkness, and we're blind while we shout. One swore it was a pillar, one swore it was a wall. Another felt the tail and said it's nothing at all. Maps made of fingers, beliefs made of skin. We worship the peace that we happen to be in. We defend our little truth like it's all there is to prove, never asking what we're missing from the view. It's an elephant in the darkness, bigger than the words we say. Every hand holds a fragment, every mind throws light away. If the sun would just rise between us, we'd see what we fight about. It's an elephant in the darkness, and we're blind while we shout. What if knowing isn't touching? What if seeing needs more light? What if I'm not wrong or right, just unfinished tonight? Turn on the light, turn on the light. It's an elephant in the darkness, not a monster, not a lie, just the truth we keep divided, so we never have to try. If the sun would rise between us, there'd be nothing to defend, just an elephant in the darkness, waiting for us to comprehend. Same room, same truth, different hands, no light.